everyone, so today we arrive in a brand new place in Bali. One thing, the monkeys always showing you something different.
And only the best, and only the best. Check this out, this yacht, it's actually some sort of millionaires came here.
Right.
And this is very nice looking marina, by the way. Okay,
Right.
keep going, Sayang.
Right.
Excited?
So if you already bored with beach clubs, you know Bali nowadays the island of beach clubs, but today we will show you the brand new thing about yacht club. It's just like the one that you went to last time in Perth, yeah, in West Australia, right?
A mini
honey?
version, but this yacht is impressive. Still, sorry, but it's impressive.
And helicopter also.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
the 50 million yacht.
Yeah, so
Dollars, not
so the
rupiah.
thing is that this is a very luxury thing in Bali. Wow.
And the first one, and the
The first one in Bali. We will show you around how it is, the yacht club and also the marina behind me. And seems like the place is packed today.
Yeah, this is it. It's pretty nice, and they have also yacht club bar, even little swimming pool, at least decoration. And yeah, and the yacht is impressive, but it's like a proper looking marina, finally. Actually, I didn't know about the existence before for some reason, and this is in Benoa in general. There is the public harbor. So there is like a party boat, actually, the catamaran, listening very trendy song. I don't know if you can hear it right now. Anyway, we cannot go there further because the security in Bali is nobody's very strict and they don't let us, you know. But we negotiate, we can talk here. Anyways, the cloud break worth 200 million. I Google it because you can Google about the stuff like this one, owned by the Alexander Shetakov or something like that, some Russian. Well,
So you mean crazy rich Russian on that?
well, $200 million or 200 million euros. That's already a league of the very high league. Anyways, this is it. Also, there is another very nice Galileo yacht. Actually, I'm surprised that something like this exists right now in Bali. I have a friend who have a yacht, maybe not as 200 million, but still a very nice yacht, currently docked in Langkawi in Malaysia. So he was looking to dock his boat here in Bali, but there is no proper marina officially. But I found out it belongs to the yacht club. So it's private one. And yeah, and there are planes because this is very close to the airport. Very loud. That's the Lion Air. Okay, this is it. We're gonna show you the yacht club inside. It's very nice. And let's go. Unfortunately, we cannot get closer as usual in the yacht clubs and the marinas. Okay, let's go.
All right, so now I will take you to stroll around the place. Basically, like I told you, this one a brand new place and kind of luxury things. As you see, that's the view basically to the marina. And then I'll show you how is the bar. So that looks the bar, what I can say, it's almost a full house. So this is how it looks inside. This is the view from the second floor. That is the luxury ship, and this one is the view from the, you know, the beach club, not the beach club, yacht club. So kind of the restaurant. Down there is the bar, as you see, and Damian is there sitting. He's there sitting. So what I can say that almost all the table are taken and bar also full. And on the second floor, basically it's very nice place where you can chill. You can have a dinner or have a lunch with overviewing the yacht. So this is what I'm gonna show it to you, the view from the second floor. And they also have a swimming pool, like a normal beach club everywhere you go. Swimming pool and people chilling actually outside and overviewing the yacht. Very nice. So yeah, this is it, the place. Very nice, comfy. Wow, look at that one. It's called Galileo Douglas. I wonder who owned that one. So basically this is the place. I'll show you around. This is the sitting area facing the, the yacht. So this is it, the newest trend in Bali. So you go to the, fancy place like this, and this place will always pack of people. And now I will get closer to showing you, the big boat owned by the, they said, the Russian, crazy rich Russian. What we read so far, the information. Wow, they have a helicopter as well. Super cool. This is a very private boat. I'll just show you around how it is, with a closer look. Cool. Cool. Wow. I don't know what should I say. I cannot get closer because the security said that you are not allowed to get closer, but it's okay from this point of view. I only know about the Titanic in my life. I never see a big ship like this. Wow. And this one is in Bali. Super cool. And one thing is that they have a helicopter there on the top. I'll get closer. That's the helicopter, the white one. That's the helicopter. Fancy. So we found out the owner of the luxury yacht. Like what I told you, this is owned by the Russian Alexander Svetakov, the owner. Wow.
Next month at 7th of July is my birthday. When you gonna buy me the 200 million yacht with helicopter on it?
In your dream.
That's the answer.
Hey, we plan to go to study in Australia. We already struggle a lot.
With 100,000 only. Not even million.
Even if, we borrow money from the bank.
Even
it's expensive.
This is just unbelievable. But very nice, very nice. And also this catamaran is nice, and also the Galileo is very nice. Overall, nice place, huh?
Yes.
Sayang. Alright, so this is the Benoa, which is the harbor, like a property of the harbor in general. Also, they change a lot now. They build the new roads and the big statues like this one. Overall, all the trucks, containers, and the cruise ships coming to this one, except the yacht club. To be honest, there is not much else to do. There are only some hangars, some, things regarding the harbor, and that's it. There is nothing else, so don't expect anything as you can have in the walking distance except the marina and little marina. And where is your ship cruising? Let's say if you're coming on a cruise ship, and walking distance, there is nothing here. Be realistically, it's nothing here, except that as there are some new monuments and the roundabouts, huge ones like this one. This is only what you could see eventually if you come here, and you want to walk. Otherwise, you have to go somewhere, either San or Kuta and stuff like this one. Just wanted to show you, and we're gonna show you the toll road also, because there will be sunset time very soon, very soon. And this is the main entrance and the main exit, from the Benoa. I'm gonna drive around because now they are proper roundabouts, and those statues actually are impressive, I have to say. Bali nowadays, after pandemic, they're really taking care of the details regarding the decorations, because they're obviously decorations only, but yeah, it looks cool for the first impression when you come here. And this is obviously the gate to Benoa. I know this is like not so many people coming to places like this one, so it's something totally different. That's without any doubts. So this is the entrance. In case if you would like to come, remember you go to Benoa. It's between Kuta and Sanur, obviously. And then we're gonna get to the highway, which is also, if you go by motorbike, the special entrance to the highway, and for the cars is separate. This is the only one highway in Bali, and it's also paid one. So you have to remember to have a special payment card if you wanna enter to the highway, to the motorway in Bali. And also this highway, this motorway is very unique because it's going through the water. Well, it's actually sunset time, it's a little bit darkish, but it's very low tide, so you cannot really see the water. And there is the gate. That's it, this is pretty like that one. Oh, some people, even locals, they don't know actually how to drive, they go to the cars. This is very important. Security will be very not happy if you're gonna go wrongly. And this is, you go to 1, 2, 3 lanes and you have to pay. I'm gonna show you also, if we are already here, by motorbike, I think it's 5,000 only to pay. Ooh, hello. The guy here always happy to help you in case you have to have a toll card like this one, right? Don't forget, otherwise the guy behind you will not let you go. Okay, let's go. We're gonna have a little stroll. On the highway, not so many people showing. I didn't show for a very long time. I didn't drive here to make a videos. Right now we can go either to Nusa Dua Uluwatu or directly to the airport, and then you have to do the U-turn. And you can come back to Sanur and then Basa. And also, the Benoa is actually, and the harbor is on the right, on the left, sorry, it's on the left. The construction, it's like this one. On the one side you have a sunset, on the other side you have something new. Actually, the harbor overall itself, it's changing quite a lot recently. They're building something huge. I used to film there at the beginning of pandemic, like maybe 3 years ago. There was just empty land which is made by the human.
Reclamation.
Yeah, reclamation land, similarly like they make it in Singapore. And they're gonna build something. We don't know yet what exactly they're gonna build there, but something is coming, that's for sure. And they also making the area here deeper. It's huge project, definitely huge project. And overall, the highway looks like this one. So as you can see, it's pretty unique, but it's very, very enjoyable to drive. It's highly recommended. Also, many taxi drivers, they will usually don't go by this road for some reason. So if you coming to Bali and you are not familiar with it, you have to really ask them to come to the toll road. Just tell them, they will take you for the ride. And yeah, this is it. It's actually enjoyable.
So I heard about this one, the reclamation project. They gonna be, they're gonna build hotel there.
It can be a hotel, yeah. It could be a hotel. As the interesting fact, this is also the airport is very nearby, so you can watch the planes passing by. And if you drive the motorbike, it's also very interesting because you can go under the highway, which is actually also cool. For some people who have an interest of driving, this is already the tourist attraction, like, because there are not many other places in the world like this one. There are some, of course, but for the Southeast Asia, it's a little bit unique, I could say. We're gonna go to the airport, make a U-turn, and then we're gonna come back showing you the sunset. So this is it. Highway in Bali, the only one highway motorway in Bali, actually, the only one. But at least it's very cool. You can long drive underneath, and now you're gonna watch the sunset directly. It's actually the best time to come here is during the sunset, to be honest. It's really cool.
We are not the ones to blame. We were tired of playing games, no wonder. I know we had our ups and downs, always thought we got around stronger.
and straight. Now we are heading to the airport.
Yeah, but we are not going to the airport. But I just wanted to show you around because I'm passing this road quite often, and you know, it's like never opportunity to film. But today, as we are talking about the Benoa, it's good also to talk about the airport. You can go straight where is the sun is the airport. There is the big mosque, and then you can go to Kuta.
All right, so this is our afternoon, Sunday afternoon, and watching beautiful sunset by the toll road. Basically, I'll show you now. We are heading back to Sanur. So imagine that all the road in Bali is empty, like in the toll road.
That's really beautiful.
Enjoyable, isn't it? And watching sunset like this. Oh my god. So yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys, from Benoa Port, and now heading back to Sanur. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
What we had was long ago. All I know is how it slowly ceases. It ceases in the arms of a stranger, a compelling pretender. We were walking on wire, like a moth to a fire, pulling closer to danger, in the arms of a stranger. I've been trying to figure out what we really were about together. We lived in different universes, empty promises for worse or better.